everyone. Myself Lakshya Yadav and I am from class 8 from Jyoti Academy. Today I'll tell you about judiciary. So our first question is, what is judiciary? Judiciary is a branch of government that applies laws and settle disputes, administer justice to citizens. Every country has its own judiciary. So let's know more about judiciary of our country, India. The Indian judiciary is a separate body and is separate from executive and legislative bodies of the government, of the Indian government. The judiciary of India is divided into different levels. At the apex is the Supreme Court, which is followed by High Court at the state level and District Court at the district level, and finally at the village level and Panchayat level it is Lok Adalat.
Hi everyone, myself James Sharma from class 8. I want to tell about you the importance of judiciary. The principal role of the judiciary is to protect the rules of law and ensure supremacy of law. Now let us discuss about the role of judiciary in the protecting human rights. Constitutional mandate of judiciary to protect the human rights to citizens. Supreme Court and High Court are empowered to take action, enforce the rights. During last few decades, the functioning of Indian judicial system has been debated on different parameters.
Hello everybody, myself Priyanshu Sharma from class 8. I am here to tell you about the laws and the orders of the judiciary. The judiciary of the India care maintenance of laws and orders of a judiciary related to the civil and the criminal offences. The following judicial system was followed in India is a British legal system that was followed during pre-independence era. Very few amendments are made for any country.